You have been posting consistently. You are passionate about your content, guys, but the subscribers aren't coming forth. Okay, you are stuck under 1,000. In this video, I'm breaking down the 7 biggest mistakes that are silently keeping you stuck. Okay, and how to fix every single one of them. Okay, if this is what you're looking for, please let's quickly dive into the video. Okay, I'll be right back. Guys, the first mistake that is keeping you stuck under 1,000, or you are currently on 1,000, you're not moving forward and you're not getting a lot of subscribers, the first mistake that you might be doing on your content or on your videos is first confusing channel focus. All right, please don't mind the way I speak. I'm a little bit under the weather, but I just look at it that this flu cannot stop me of making content. Okay, don't mind the way I talk, but just listen to what I have to tell you. Okay, first mistake is confusing channel focus. If your channel has vlogs, gaming, makeup tutorials and all one page, you are confusing people. We keep on telling you, please just have a focus. Let your channel, is not that we don't want you to explore. Me, I'm feeling it already. You know, my channel is for tutorial. It's not as if I don't have the power to do any other thing on my channel. Okay, but I look at it, it will confuse my audience. So that is why I stick on one thing. Even if I want to do any other thing, I'll open it. I'll open another channel. There's nothing harm in you having, if you can handle 10 channels, why not? You have 10 channels, but make sure that each of the channels have different things they are doing so that they will comfortably have a focus. So when people are referring to you, they will say, that channel that do tutorial, you don't know that lady, that Patience. You don't know her channel, it's a tutorial channel. Know that when they are referring to you, they don't know whether your channel is gaming, whether your channel is for vlog, whether your channel is for makeup tutorial. You understand? Okay, so you have to basically pick one thing that works for you. If you really want to open another channel, if you can handle it, why not? You open another channel entirely. You understand? So that your page, your channel will have a focus, so that you will not confuse your audience. You understand? It's not when people follow you, you are gaming, and they really love what you're doing. They followed you. They're expecting anytime you're uploading, they're expecting the game. You upload this week, it will be game. The other week, it will be face beat tutorial, makeup tutorial. Can't you see that they will be pissed off? Some even unsubscribe. You understand? So make sure, let people know you with what you're doing. Exactly. You understand? Okay, let me tell you how to fix this. Pick a clear niche and specify type of viewers to target. You understand? Before you pick a niche, know the kind of viewers that your niche will attract. You understand? Because I've already told you, there's one of my videos that I told you that you don't just pick, if you're a new content creator here, you don't just pick a niche anyhow. You understand? It's the niche that you pick that will determine whether you're moving forward or you're moving backward. You understand? Yeah, every niche counts, but there's some niche that is not good for you. You understand? You are into this content creating. You already know your target audience, the kind of audience that you want on your channel. So your niche will determine that. Okay, so be known for one thing first, then expand. I keep on telling you, always be known for one thing. Don't worry, when you start, I'm talking to my new content creator now, my new upcoming content creator. If you know that you are not you have not up to 1,000, or even if you are 1,000 above, you are not yet monetized, you understand, please just stick with a niche. Make sure that you have a clear niche on your channel. You understand? Don't worry, even if you are the type that like juggling things around, maybe do this one niche doesn't work for you, with time you can expand. You understand? By that time you have a basic audience that can be able to hear you. You understand? That can be able to watch whatever things you put out, because one, they love you. Okay, you have a loyal audience, a loyal community, because one, they love you. Okay, so mistake two, boring or messy thumbnail. You understand? So foreign or messy thumbnail is the 7 mistakes keeping you under 1,000. You understand? You might not be aware of it. If your thumbnail don't spark curiosity, there's nothing you do on this place. So if you people can see, in my channel, I like trying a lot of new things. You can change my thumbnail has changed. The way the text on my thumbnail has changed. You understand? So that is what I'm talking about. Please just make sure that you lay your hands. Just try out new things, experiment things on your channel. Don't say, if I do it, will it work? It may work, it may not work. It's not a must that all of them will go fine. Okay, so you can make it curiosity or look messy on mobile. You understand? When you make it messy on mobile, when you make your thumbnail, when people come to your thumbnail, it's messy on mobile. People will know, you not attract people, you not get people to click on it. Okay, this is basically what I'm trying to tell you here. How you can fix it: make sure that your pictures are bold on your thumbnail and your text message there is bold. You understand? You a curiosity text, or you can use direct to the point text. And your contrast, make your thumbnail readable and emotionally engaging. Okay, make sure that anybody that, even maybe when they don't know you, or anybody that come across your thumbnail, make sure that that person can be able to click. You can drive that person to click on your thumbnail. All right. Mistakes 3 is weak hooks. You understand? This is what is killing most up content creators. You understand? We don't know how to hook audience, because I believe when we be able to get audience, hook them very well. One, first thumbnail, second hook. When we be able to bring that good thumbnail for them to click on it, then our intro, that is the hook, is our intro, we can be able to hook them. I think our video will be, our CTR will be very, very good. Our video will be recommendable. Okay, so what get YouTube not to recommend your video is in the next 30 seconds you can't be able to hook your audience. Maybe people just clicking, maybe people driven through your thumbnail. You have a very fine thumbnail, they now click your content. In your hook, in your intro, you can't be able to hook them. They will click out. You understand? So let's work, all of us. Me that I'm saying, I'm really working on my hooks, because I know that I have not gotten it right. Okay, let's all of us work on our hooks. I think when we work on our hooks, I think YouTube will like to push our content out there very well. Okay, so if your first 15 seconds are low, people will bounce. Okay, so this is basically what they are trying to tell you. Start strong. You can ask a painful question, reveal a surprising state, or preview the value they will get. Just tell them what they will get on the video. You understand? Their value that they will have on the video. You can first, that's the introduction. Introduce the video. Tell them what that you'll be talking about, or what that will be happening in the video. In any niche that you find yourself, you always have intro. You understand? Just make sure that you have intro. You don't just start a video like that. Even if you're making a lifestyle content, you don't just start a lifestyle content, you start rolling. You just pick a mic, come out and tell us what the vlog that we are about to see, what it entails. I don't know if what I'm saying makes sense. What you are going to see, you understand? It will make people to stick around and watch the vlog from the beginning to the end, because you have already said what will happen in the vlog, and they are, all their mind, they are anticipating towards that. Okay, so at least I think it's a good hook too. So mistake 4 that people makes is uploading without strategy. Some people just upload, they don't have strategy, they don't have basic. You understand? Posting video randomly just because we feel like it, that's not a strategy. You understand? It's not a strategy. Is not because you feel like posting video. Okay, now you have scheduled your upload. You must upload video 3 times a week, and that warrants you of posting randomly without no strategy. You're just making a huge mistake. Okay, now let me tell you what you can do. Study what's trending in your niche. Post content that solves real problem. You understand? Each and every one of us have a trending topic on their niche. You don't jump because you saw it trending. If it is not on your niche, please don't jump onto the trend. Okay, just basically watch and see what is happening on your niche, the trend. That is why we the YouTube code, we ask you, make sure that you follow big creators on your niche. Every niche have big creators, you understand, over there. So make sure that you follow big creators and watch them closely. From there you can get what is trending. All right, so this is what they're trying to tell you, you understand. So make sure that you're solving a problem with your content, you understand, or answering common questions with your content. That's how to solve people's problem. Make sure that anybody that watches your video, the person will take out something from your video. You understand? You don't just make yes, you can get me to laugh, that I'm happy watching your video. You understand? Don't just post something that doesn't have the beginning, from the beginning to the end. You understand? Just make sure that you bring value, you understand, so, or solve a problem with your content. That is why when you're picking a niche, make sure that you pick the right niche for you. Okay, guys, mistake 5 is ignoring watch time and retention. If people stop watching after 1 minute, YouTube won't push your video. That is what I'm telling you now. So this is where our hooks, our intro come in. Make sure that you package that your intro very well. Make sure that it hook people first. Come when you use your hook to drag people into your content, that is when you will have retention. You understand? So if people stop watching after 1 minute, YouTube won't push your video. This is exactly. So let me tell you how to fix this. Keep your editing tight, okay? Use patterns interrupt, like zoom. You can zoom. You can use music shift, caption, or b-roll in every 5 to 10 seconds of your video. You know, it can keep people on their toes, you understand, because some might like such a thing like that. Okay, so mistake 6 is no clear CTA. If you never ask people to subscribe, they probably won't. Please make sure that you have a habit of, after your video, don't just ask people to subscribe from the beginning or in the middle. Just finish giving your value so that people will know why they are subscribing, whether subscribing on your channel worth it. Okay, so make sure that you do that at the ending. All right, not when I open your video you're asking me to subscribe, like, and share. What am I sharing when I have not listened to you? I have not seen, I have not watched your video, I have not seen what your video is, and you're asking me to subscribe? Can't you see that you're making a big mistake? So you organize, make sure that you organize this thing very, very well. You understand? So ask for sub after delivering value. You understand? After you might have spilled or bring your value or do whatever you want to do on your channel, then at the end you can ask people to subscribe. Okay, let me give you an example. If you can say, if this helped you, consider subscribing. I will drop weekly videos just like this. Can't you see that the thing makes sense? Then and immediately you open your video, you started doing please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, make sure that you know, that kind of a thing. So just without, you're not begging for it, you understand, they have gained value. So you're just, as if you're just reminding them to make sure that they subscribe, because some people might forget. You can just ask this thing, just do this thing politely. Okay, if this help you, consider subscribing. You understand? I drop weekly videos just like this one that you have watched. You understand? So it will go a long way. Mistake 7, obsessing overview instead of value. This is what is wrong with all of us. You understand? We are obsessing over views instead of at the value content, the value that we are bringing to the table. Okay, please guys, I am here to advise you. Please, whenever you see a trending topic on internet, make sure that whether the thing is bringing value, to bring value to your audience. You understand? If it doesn't bring value to your audience, please leave that trending stuff. It is not for you, because one, you know who is your audience, you know your target audience, you know your community. You understand? So chasing viral ideas with no real value, that's short-term thinking. Okay guys, let me tell you what you can do about it. Focus on helping viewers. You understand? Not just getting attention. When you help people consistently, subscribers come naturally. You see what I'm telling you? Please focus on helping viewers. Okay, focus on solving your audience problem. You know, when they watch your video, they gain value. They can equally watch, come back again to watch. Some people may even subscribe without you asking for it, without you begging. You understand? Okay, let me tell you what I feel. In my conclusion, most channels don't blow up because of one big moment. They grow because of tiny feces that they feast on their channel. They are loopholes. You understand? Can't you see that some people might get a viral moment, just only that once that your video went viral. There is no video again that will go viral again. Nobody know you. You understand? When you grow because of tiny feces that you have done on your channel, you understand? You see how you will grow without looking for any viral moment. This is my own take. You understand? So ask yourself, which of these 7 mistakes have you been making? You understand? Drop it in the comments and let's grow together. Okay? All right, I've come to the end of my teachings. If you are new here, you're welcome. Please just don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Please, if you're passing and you want to see, you just click on my video and I want to know what this woman is talking about, please don't click off without giving me that thumbs up. You understand? Engage with me, okay? I will engage with you back. I will see you on my next one. Bye, guys.